Hello everyone, I'm Jason. Pearl milk tea is currently very popular around the world. So today I want to introduce to you how to make pearl milk tea that originated in Taiwan. If you learn how to make your own pearl milk tea, you will save a lot of money because you can make a cup of pearl milk tea for about 20 new Taiwan dollars. But if you buy a cup at a beverage store today, you will get about 50 new Taiwan dollars. The ingredients you need to prepare are milk, tea, brown sugar, and pearl balls. Of course, you still need to prepare a cup. A bottle of fresh milk is about $150. A pack of tea is about $5. A pack of brown sugar is about $70. A pack of pearl balls is about $68. That's it. Okay, let's start making pearl milk tea now. Let's go. Okay, now we are in the kitchen. Then let's start making pearl balls now. Today we use a pressure cooker to cook faster. Direction is cook a part of hot water. We have to wait for the water to boil now. Now the water is boiling. Pour in sufficient amount of tapioca and stir gently. Make sure the water is full enough to cover tapioca. Boil with smaller heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, time's up. And add some brown sugar. Then turn off the fire and wait for 1 hour. Now we need to make tea. Pour fresh boiling water over tea bag and wait for 5 minutes. The time's up. Finally, we only need to mix the tea with milk and pearl balls.